Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that literally control your health? Yep, your microbiome is the secret boss of your body. From digestion to immunity, energy levels, and even mood, your gut bacteria play a huge role in how you feel every day. But here's the problem. Thanks to processed foods, stress, antibiotics, and modern living, most people have a messed up gut microbiome. But don't worry. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to heal your microbiome in just 30 days with the best gut-healing foods, probiotics, and lifestyle tips. If you've ever struggled with bloating, fatigue, or digestion issues, you're in the right place. Get ready to take back your gut health. All right, let's talk about your gut. You might not think about it much until it starts acting up. You know, bloating like you just swallowed a balloon, stomach pains out of nowhere, or running to the bathroom like it's an Olympic sport. Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that fixing your gut could actually transform your entire health? And you can do it in just 30 days. Sounds wild, right? But trust me, it's totally possible. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. Shows relatable meme. Me after eating one healthy meal expecting my gut to be healed. So whether you're dealing with bloating, food intolerances, or just want better energy and skin, this video is for you. Oh, and if you're new here, welcome to Octavius Wellness Center. We talk about all things gut health, nutrition, and wellness, but in a way that's actually fun and easy to understand. If that sounds like your vibe, hit that subscribe button. What is the microbiome and why it matters? So what the heck is a microbiome anyway? Sounds fancy, right? But it's really just the community of bacteria living inside your gut. And before you freak out, yes, you have bacteria living inside you. And no, it's not gross. In fact, you need these bacteria to be healthy. They help digest your food, boost immunity, and even produce feel-good hormones like serotonin, aka the happy chemical. 90% of serotonin is actually made in your gut, not your brain. So if your gut is off, your mood probably is too. Now, the problem is that thanks to processed foods, stress, and antibiotics, most people have an unbalanced microbiome, meaning too much bad bacteria and not enough good bacteria. And that's when issues like bloating, food sensitivities, brain fog, and even skin problems show up. But don't worry, there's good news. Your gut is incredibly resilient, and with the right foods and habits, you can heal it in just 30 days. The 30-day gut healing plan. Week 1, remove and reset. Cut out gut-damaging foods like processed sugar, artificial sweeteners, and ultra-processed junk. Add gut-healing drinks like bone broth, ginger tea, and apple cider vinegar. Week 2, reintroduce good bacteria. Eat fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir. Start a quality probiotic supplement, but not all probiotics are created equal. I'll explain in a sec. Week 3, feed your good bacteria. Load up on prebiotics, the food that feeds your gut bacteria. Things like bananas, garlic, and asparagus. Hydration is key. Drink more water to flush out toxins. Week 4, maintain and balance. Manage stress, because stress literally kills good gut bacteria. Crazy, right? Move your body. Exercise boosts gut health more than you'd think. Gut healing myths and mistakes to avoid. Okay, let's bust some gut health myths, shall we? Because there's a lot of nonsense out there. Myth number 1, probiotics fix everything. Nope, if you're still eating junk, probiotics won't save you. Myth number 2, gut health only affects digestion. Nope again. It affects everything, including mood, energy, and even weight. Myth number 3, you need fancy supplements. Actually, food is your best medicine. Supplements help, but diet is key. Can supplements heal your microbiome? All right, let's talk about supplements. Because if you've ever Googled gut health, you've probably seen a million ads for probiotics, prebiotics, and fancy gut healing powders that promise to fix your gut overnight. But do they actually work? Or are they just another wellness scam? Let's break it down. Probiotics, the good, the bad, and the overpriced. Probiotics are live bacteria that help balance your gut microbiome. They can be super helpful if you've recently taken antibiotics, have IBS, or struggle with digestion. Not all probiotics are created equal. Many store-bought probiotics don't survive stomach acid, meaning they never even reach your gut alive. Yep, you might be literally flushing money down the toilet. Look for a probiotic with multiple strains, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. At least 10 to 50 billion CFUs delayed release capsules, so they actually survive your stomach acid. Prebiotics, the food your gut bugs love. Think of probiotics as the seeds and prebiotics as the fertilizer. You need both for a thriving gut garden. Prebiotics are fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut, helping them grow and multiply. Foods like bananas, garlic, onions, and oats are natural prebiotics. Some people with gut issues, like IBS, can't tolerate too many prebiotics and might feel bloated. Start slow and focus on whole food prebiotics before jumping into fiber supplements. Digestive enzymes. Do you need them? Ever eat a meal and feel like your stomach is just sitting there like a rock? Digestive enzymes might help. Enzyme supplements help break down fats, proteins, and carbs, making digestion easier, especially for people with acid reflux, bloating, or food intolerances. If your gut is healthy, you probably don't need them. Overuse can make your body lazy and reliant on supplements. Use digestive enzymes only when needed, like when eating heavy meals or if you struggle with digestion. The pros and cons of gut health supplements. Okay, before you rush to Amazon and buy every gut supplement out there, let's talk pros and cons. The pros, when they actually work, can speed up gut healing when used correctly, help replenish gut bacteria after antibiotics or illness, can improve digestion, bloating, and immunity. The cons, what they don't tell you. Many probiotics don't survive stomach acid. Wasted money. Some supplements contain fillers, sugars, and fake ingredients. Yikes. Overuse can make your gut lazy and dependent. Final verdict, supplements can help, but they are not magic pills. Food is still the foundation of gut health. So if you're serious about healing your gut, start with whole foods, stress management, and good sleep. Then add supplements if needed. All right, gut warriors, that's a wrap. If you learned something new today, hit that like button because it helps more people see this video. And if you're starting your gut healing journey, drop a comment below. What's your biggest gut health struggle? Oh, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more gut health tips every week. Your gut will thank you. See you in the next one.